Hello everyone. I hope everyone is okay. So today I'll take you in physics. So some people call me Mr. Joe. Yeah. So if you want online classes, you can just WhatsApp or call on this line, 0976109646. His name is Mr. Siwale. He teaches biology, chemistry, and physics. Without wasting much of our time, let's go to the question. The question reads: write your answer in the space provided on the question paper. Figure 1.1 shows a measuring device. So here the question says, name this measuring device. This one, it is a micrometer screw gauge. So you can write it here. Okay, be it saying that what is the reading shown on the device. So on this one, you're supposed to take the reading on the what? On the sleeve scale reading, okay, and in the what? In the thimble scale reading. Okay, so in the sleeve scale reading, the reading is so when you try to count, so 5, 6, 7, 8, so meaning there to be 8. Remember, we would have ended there. Now here there is 1, so we have 5, so 8.5 millimeters again is equals to what? In the thimble scale reading, we're going to count this, so 1, 2, so to be 22, so 22 millimeters. Now in 22 millimeters, you're supposed to multiply it by 0.01 millimeters. When you multiply, it's going to give you what? It's going to give you 0.22 millimeters. Now let's try to do this. Let's try to add in the sleeve scale reading and the thimble scale reading. So I'm going to add 8.5 plus 0.22 millimeters. So 8.5 millimeters plus 0.22 millimeters. It's going to give us what? It is going to give us 8.72 millimeters as our answer. So there we're going to write as 80.72 millimeters as your answer. Let's go to the question C. It's saying that state 2 precaution to be taken when using this device. So what should you do when you're taking this device? When you're taking the reading on the what? On the micrometer screw gauge. I think that you should do is that before taking this, before you start taking the object, or you measure the object on the micrometer screw gauge, you're supposed to zero the instrument before it is used. Okay, so that is the point. Then so, point number 2, you're supposed to clean the spindle and the anvil of the instrument before taking any reading. So you can just write there. You can just write that. So, okay, so even this question, many people don't want to answer it. So let me try to answer it. So before I answer it, if you want online classes, you can just WhatsApp me or call on this line 0976109646. His name is Mr. Swale. He teaches biology, chemistry, and physics. Okay, so here the question is saying that the figure below shows an experiment which was carried out to measure the time interval of a simple pendulum. Okay, so here the question reads: the bubble was oscillating between A and B. A is saying that state the meaning of the term oscillation. While oscillation, this is the swinging of the bulb from its position A to C back from its position A. Okay, you can just say that, or you can just say it is the swinging of the bulb. That's all, simple as that. So let's just write it. You can just say it is the swinging of the bulb, just like that. You end there. Then B, it's saying that if the pendulum bulb took 0.20 seconds to swing from A to C, calculate the pendulum. Let's try to calculate the pendulum. So as you can see, like from here to there, it's 1/4, and then from here to there, it is a 2/4. get again, from here to here it's what, 3/4, and then from there to there it's what, it's 1, right? Good. So let's try. So since here it's saying that it wants us to calculate the what, the period. So for us to calculate the period, the formula for the period, it's what should be, the formula for the period is capital letter T is equal to small letter t over n. So period is equal to time over number of oscillation. So now what our period is equals to, what is our time? Our time, it is 0.20 seconds over what is our numbers of oscillation, number of oscillation. So as you can see, like number of oscillation, it just swing from position A to C. So that simply means you're going to say 2 divided by 4, it's going to give you what? It's going to give you 0.5. Yeah, so we have 0.5. Okay, now what are we going to do again? We're going to say period is equals to 0.5 into 0.25 is going to give you what? 0.4 seconds. So period, we found it in seconds. Okay, so our answer here is 0.4 seconds as your answer. Yes, so let's move on to question C. Question C, right? It's saying that use your answer in B, determine the frequency of the bulb. So remember, the formula for the frequency, its frequency is equals to 1 over period. So as you can say frequency is equals to 1. What is our period? Our period, we found what? We found the 0.4. So that is our period. So we're going to say 0.4. So say frequency is equals to 0.4 into 1 is going to give you what? 2.5. What are the SI units? It is in Hertz, like that. Yeah, so we're done on this one. Remember, my name is Mr. Joe. Oh, my people at Lusaka boys call me that. Then if you want online classes, you can just go through on that line. Yeah, but if you want to start studying with me in the group, you can just WhatsApp me on this line. WhatsApp me, don't call me. WhatsApp me 0978183283. So that is my line if you want to start studying with me in the group. But if you want online classes, please use this line. So for today, guys, we're done. Thank you, and happy Sabbath day. Today it's Saturday. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a blessed night. Love you all.